Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising. So this is your monthly reading for August 2026. General reading, pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private readings, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Libra. You're a healer. Pwedeng meron kayong i-develop na pagiging healer. Yan, yung inyong talent, skill set. Some of you, this can be healing from your past, healing from your wounds, from your trauma. Oh, new beginnings. Love this. May bagong pagsisimula. Yung iba sa inyo, Libra, pwedeng itong new beginnings na to is about discovering your healing capabilities or your healing gifts. Okay? In what area of life tong new beginnings? Oh, for your career. Okay. 10th house, career. Yes, may bago. Bagong trabaho, bagong career, bagong business, opportunity, or may pagbabago sa legacy. Change of status. Pwede rin yan. Estado mo sa buhay, nag-level up ka na. Also have the energy ng Virgo, which is paying attention to details. Pagiging maingat. I think yung iba sa inyo, this is focused on also on your health, no? Sa inyong kalusugan, mas magiging maingat kayo at aware sa inyong health conditions, which is very important. Kasi yung iba, kahit aware na sila sa health conditions nila, wala pa rin silang ginagawa para ma-improve ang health nila. So, this is about you healing or being open to healing na isasama mo siya sa iyong routine, sa iyong daily routine. Whatever you do on a daily basis. Yan. Mas magkakaroon ka ng healthier lifestyle. Overall energy, the Knight of Pentacles. Mas magiging strategic ka sa mga sa trabaho mo. Pagpaplano ng career, business. Hindi ka basta-basta magpapadalos-dalos. It doesn't mean na you will feel stuck, but it only means na bawat galaw mo or kilos mo, calculated yan. Okay? Let's see your challenge, the Justice card. This is your energy. Maaring ang maging challenge sa'yo is yung decision making mo. Sometimes you feel you are not confident sa decision mo, sa choices mo. And sometimes, it's okay kapag you just need more time. Pero kung nagpo-procrastinate ka, you have to check yourself. Ano ba? What's stopping you? Ano pumipigil sa'yo na makapag-desisyon? Diba? Kasi yung decision making is based on your trust. Tiwala, no? Sabi nga ni Stephen Covey, yung merong tinatawag na speed of trust. Mas madaling or mas mabilis yung progress mo kapag nagtitiwala ka. Hindi lang sa tao, no, nakaka-deal mo, but also sa sarili mo. Most importantly, sa sarili mo. Now, your opportunity is the Knight of Cups, which is about relationships. Pwedeng merong new person coming in. Part ng new beginnings niya, new person. Okay? Or this can be a new opportunity na, may offer for a new job, a new career na magbibigay sa'yo ng happiness, magbibring ng joy, source of happiness. Your blessing, wow, I love this is a blessing kasi ito ay success. Yes. Ito yung success pagkatapos ng mga challenges sa buhay mo at pagkatapos ng pagiging, kasi palaban no? Oo, yung tipong inilaban mo yung mga pangarap mo. And you are finally getting what you deserve. You are getting the recognition na dinideserve mo. People will celebrate you. If you're into social media or content creation, pwedeng magkakaroon ka ng mga viral contents, videos, posts na you will have uh, a taste of, ano ba to, hindi ko masabi, yung fame, ganyan. Kasi lagi pa, a taste of freedom. But that can be a taste of success, ayan. And level of fame, popularity. Just pay attention to your finances. May financial pinch. You have to manage your kaperahan wisely. Oh, merong family sorrow. This can be something na may may hatid na kalungkutan or disappointment related sa family during this time, and I think that's also the reason why meron ditong healing for you, healing na pag-accept ng mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado when it comes to family matters. You are on the road to success. Wow, this really makes sense. Kasi nga, the Six of Wands is about success. So, on the road to success, ibig sabihin yan, nasa proseso ka ng pagtupad sa mga pangarap mo. So, keep going. Okay? Huwag mong hayaan na ikaw ay madiskaril or yan ay mapigilan or may mga blockages na hahayaan mo na lang na matigil yung progress mo. Ilaban mo yan. 'Di ba? If you need to ask for help and seek support, do it because you are not alone. Ano yung kata ni Michael Jackson? You are not alone. I am here with you. 'Di ba? Though you're far away. Allow any anxieties and worries to be gently released and offered up to be healed. O, 'di ba? We're just talking about healing. Minsan kasi, hindi nawawala rin yung mga anxieties na yan, pag-aalala, because marami talaga uncertainties sa buhay. Kaya lang, hahayaan mo ba na mabuhay ka sa uncertainties? No? You will feel anxious about mga bagay na hindi pa nangyayari. 'Di ba? So, mas maganda na maging prepared ka sa possibilities, but it doesn't mean na kailangan mong matakot. Kasi magkaka-anxiety ka lang dyan. And know that there are people or group or, your family na nandyan to support you. Whether this is family by blood or family by choice. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.